Hello pixie friends and my silver sisters. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie-Jessica. I fumble around with my hair a lot. I talk about going gray. Sometimes I open things I've spent too much money on, and if that sounds like it might be interesting to you, hit the subscribe button and hang out with me more often. Now today I am definitely talking about something I've spent too much money on. Technically it was a gift. Today I'm going to apply for the very first time, so I have not practiced this at all whatsoever. Lashify. Okay, I thought that was going to be open. That was a little anticlimactic. Hold, please. Oh, there's a box inside the box. Today, I am going to apply for the very first time Lashify. Seriously? Okay, so there was a box inside of a box inside of a box. Here we go. Today I'm going to apply for the very first time Lashify. If you're not familiar with Lashify, Lashify is a home lash extension, for lack of a better word, kit. It's $145 for the kit. Once you have this initial kit, all you are repurchasing are the gossamer lashes. So when you are legally blind, one of the things that's just understood that you should limit doing is poking things in your eyes. There's going to be some funny faces made, and I'm pretty sure that I will have a lash stuck somewhere other than my eyeball. Okay guys, so we have glasses on. I do have a lighted mirror, and it has this little like zoomy piece that you can see your skin so up close that it's kind of horrifying. I have that. I have the directions, although I can't seem to get them out. I'm not going to bore you with that, don't worry. So in your kit you have this fuse wand that has these little silicone ends on them, which I've heard are called wandums, which makes me laugh. There's also the bond. So the Whisper Bond has a black as well as a clear side. And then the glass crystal, this is something that you put on after the lashes are already on your face to help them last longer. I sleep roughly, so I don't think mine will last for very long. And then I have B12s and B14s, and I think that the B stands for bold. I don't really remember. These ones here are the 12s, and these ones are the 14s. They seem really long to me. I have it on. Okay, I might kind of be onto something. I think if you need glasses in order to see, you have to wear your glasses to put these on. Okay, I don't think that's really on very well, but we're just gonna keep cruising along. This time I'm gonna use this little clear one because someone else that I follow that does these uses it like this. For more things that you just shouldn't do. Okay, so I have this eye done. There are a couple of, there's one patch, I guess one section of lashes that is not on super well, but honestly, that was not nearly as difficult as I thought it was going to be once I kind of got the hang of it a little bit better. Now my eye is watering, so I'm pretty sure that's not a good sign. Oh, I got two things on accident. Okay, guys, that wasn't bad as I thought it was gonna be. I found the ones I dropped. So what do I think about Lashify? I would say I give this an An 8 out of 10 if you don't have any vision issues. However, if you have vision issues, I honestly did not think that I was going to get one eye all the way on. I figured I would struggle with a couple of patches of them and then just say forget it. I was able to get both eyes done. Now, I will say there are a couple of sections where the lashes aren't quite at the base of my lash line, so I'm not really sure how well those are going to hold up. Some people that I follow keep these on for a week to even 10 days. I don't really think these are going to last me, but I do think it was fun and worth a try, and considering it's my very first time and I am not good at putting lashes on, even magnetic strip lashes I'm not great at, so the fact that I was able to get both sides on, maybe with practice this would be super easy for me. We'll see. If you have not yet, give this video a like and leave a comment. Believe it or not, those things help my channel and I greatly appreciate them. If you want to hang out with me here, I post videos usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you want to hang out with me outside of that, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. I will link all of those in the description box, as well as the link to the Lashify website. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form. Like I said, I asked for it for Christmas and got it. All right, guys, I will see you in a couple of days.